Now let's attach the eyes. The eyes go between rounds 3 and 6. Once you find those rounds, place the eye between them and insert the needle right under the eye. Guide the needle through the body and out under the eye on the other side. Once you find that spot, you can let go of the eye. Sew through the body to lay your first stitch. The eye will pull up into place, then go back through the eye to attach the second side. Check the position of the eye, and if you like how it looks, insert the needle into the body and guide it out at the back to complete sewing the eye. Leave the yarn tail at the back for now. Attach the second eye the same way, keeping them symmetrical. Tie the yarn tails twice, cut the extra yarn, and push the tails inside the body. Now the eyes are done, just the smile left.